Friday afternoon at Edgewater. It's actually it's a beautiful day. I'd guess around 70 degrees. Pretty breezy. I'm thinking maybe we're catching just the fringe of Hurricane Earl. It's off the east coast, and that's giving us this a little more dramatic wave action than normal. I'm a little surprised there's only one surfer out there, probably a little too small to see, but this kind of weather usually brings out the entire crew of 6 or 8 Lake Erie surfers, but not today. Still, pretty great day.